In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product in Printify. First, open your preferred browser and search for Printify. Choose the official website from the results, so you land on the right dashboard. Sign in to your account to continue. Once you're in, head straight to the Catalog tab. Here you can browse more than 1,000 items across apparel, home decor, and accessories. Use filters to narrow by category, style, material, or brand so you don't waste time scrolling. When you open a product, you'll see multiple print providers. Take a moment to compare their Printify ranking, average production time, shipping costs, and location relative to your customers. Picking a provider close to your audience can reduce shipping times and rates. After you've chosen a provider, click Start Designing. This opens the Product Creator. Upload a high-resolution design from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox, or use the built-in tools like the AI image generator, the Shutterstock library, or the text editor. For the best results, use crisp artwork, ideally 300 dpi, and transparent PNGs for apparel. Place your artwork within the safe print area outlined by dotted lines. Drag to position and resize as needed, and use the alignment tools in the side panel to center it perfectly. Keep important elements away from the edges to avoid accidental cropping. Next, click Select Variants to choose the colors and sizes you want to offer. You can even apply different designs to different color variants if that suits your collection. Consider contrast so the design stands out on each color. Click Preview to see realistic 3D mockups from different angles. Adjust mockup views and background styles to match your store's aesthetic and ensure the product photography looks consistent. When you're happy, click Save Product to store your work as a draft. Then click Publish Products to move toward listing it. To fine-tune details, go back to your product list and click the product name. Add a clear, catchy title and an SEO-friendly description. Start with the key benefit, then include material, fit, print method, and care notes. Printify often provides a default description you can customize. Set your retail prices. You'll see production cost versus profit, and you can apply a global profit percentage, like 40%, across all variants in one go. Factor in your shipping strategy when deciding margins. Finally, if your store is already connected, such as Shopify, Etsy, or TikTok Shop, click Publish. Printify will sync images, descriptions, and pricing to your storefront automatically, and that's how to add a product in Printify from start to finish.